Improved animal health is an integral component of our national farming strategies. It is in this regard that farmers are continually updated on new farming methods, as well as training to give them the right skills to boost production. In addition to that, the government has intensified the training of professionals in the field of animal health so that farmers can benefit from their services and the latest technological advances. The Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, a constituent faculty of the College of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences, situated at the Upper Kabete campus, offers both theoretical and practical know-how in modern agricultural practices. Established as a veterinary diploma school in 1940, it has witnessed tremendous growth over the years. In 1985, it was divided into 6 colleges for ease of administration. The Faculty of Veterinary Medicine comprises 7 teaching departments. The Dean explains.
These departments are the preclinical departments, 3 of which are based in Chiromo campus. These departments are veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology, and Department of Biochemistry. These departments deal with the preclinical subjects that our undergraduates have to learn before they come to run the paraclinical subjects. The paraclinical subjects are veterinary pathology, veterinary microbiology, and veterinary parasitology. And this one comprises 1 department, which is situated in Kabete campus.
Large and small animal clinics are located in the Department of Clinical Studies, and they serve both livestock and pet keepers on a 24-hour service. There is an animal hospital for large animals which are admitted. Similarly, the small animal clinic has kennels for the admission of sick pets. These also serve as teaching units for students. At the Department of Clinical Studies Large Animal Clinic, we talked to Rose Njunge from Koroi Ongata Rongai.
She's been having a problem with her front left leg. Every so often, like 3 months, it swells. And in most cases, we have to remove pus. I have to get the vet to come and remove pus. It's treated for a month, and then it is well for about 3 months. Then the same problem comes. So I thought maybe it's time we checked whether there was something inside. I sort of thought there's something inside maybe touching the bone. So we decided to bring it for an X-ray. The findings were very surprising. I thought we were going to find the nail, but then we are told it has arthritis on the joints. That is what was found. Both legs were X-rayed, and the doctor told me it has arthritis. So we ruled out the issue of a foreign object. So now we manage it for arthritis.
Her problem was sorted out, and now her cow can produce much more milk. At the Department of Clinical Studies Small Animal Clinic, the receptionist Mary Mukiri had this to say.
Normally when the clients come in our place here, there is this form of which they fill for the details. Because sometimes normally dogs it's the first time the animal is coming. If it's for vaccination, then we don't open a card. There is a small card of which we give. If it has been there before, then we just go pull out the card. And these are our records of the animals which have been coming here before. And if animals are for admissions, then we just read them. There is a machine there, and then we take them to the kennel. If there is an emergency, we don't even ask the client to open the door first. We just take it to the room first for the first aid.
Inside the laboratory room was a 5-month sick puppy with a problem of dehydration and vomiting. The puppy was being attended to by Dr. Shigadi.
We want to give it intravenous fluids to help it to control the dehydration and also antibiotics just to control any bacterial infection.
We also had one other canine inside the preparation room under the care of Dr. Abuom.
Here with my patient, she's called Shig, and she's suffering from a condition called otitis externa, which is an infection of the external ear. So what you want to do now is just anesthetize her so you can prepare her for the surgery.
Later on, he was taken to the surgical theater for operation.
So let's use this ear cleaning solution to clean the ear of this dog. So it's a matter of putting the solution in and rubbing the external ear canal to clean out all the dirt.
At the vet farm, which is 150 hectares, caters for both dairy and poultry units. At the dairy unit, we get to see the cow which has won the top prize twice during the ASK show. Tobias Ngesa is the head of the dairy unit.
Here we have about 200 cattle. From the dairy, these are represented. That is the Frisians, Ashires, Ganses, and then the Jerseys.
It's amazing to note that animals are quite expensive to rear due to their constant needs in terms of care and food. The Department of Public Health, Pharmacology and Toxicology aims to provide training in veterinary public health to address public health problems, especially in Eastern and Central Africa.
What happens is that we get samples from clients, we process them and quantify the toxicants depending on what is suspected to be the source of poisoning. We also do quality control. Water samples that could be suspected to be contaminated with poisons. They could be heavy metals, fluoride, pesticides, or other agricultural products, agricultural chemicals.
The one and only vision of the institution is to be a leading center of excellence in education and training, research, outreach and consultancy services in veterinary, biomedical, environmental and allied management sciences for the continued well-being of mankind and animals as a whole. With this kind of objective, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine is set to go far and wide in its vision. animal and human health as well as the environment.
What we are doing is some microbiological analysis of material that has been brought to us to find out microbial loads in manure. It is of importance to us because there are farmers at the moment who are being asked by importers in Europe about the microbial contents in the manure that is being used in the farms. This is particularly because of the organisms that tend to be to contaminate crops or plants that we sell outside. And we've been analyzing this manure for some days now, and we cultured and we found that there are organisms that are of interest, and we are continuing to purify those organisms. The organisms that are of interest to us today are those organisms that are particularly cause diarrhea in humans.
The mission of the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine is to produce high-caliber graduates who provide quality services to farmers, the government, national and international institutions. The faculty also provides diagnostic services, consultancy, research, extensions, advisory and clinical services nationally, regionally and internationally. It also generates relevant technologies through research. The one and only vision of the institution is to be a leading center of excellence in education and training, research, outreach and consultancy services in veterinary, biomedical, environmental and allied management sciences for the continued well-being of mankind and animals as a whole. With this kind of objective, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine is set to go far and wide in its vision.